Yes!
It's officially springtime, and you know what that means?
Spring cleaning!
Spring cleaning! The number one thing people forget to do while they're spring cleaning is to test their smoke detectors. So that got us thinking, what else are people forgetting about smoke detectors? We put together a list of our top frequently asked questions, and let's get to it.
All right, so the first question that we get asked a lot is, do I need a hardwired or a battery-operated smoke alarm?
Good question. Battery-operated units are standalone units that can be wall or ceiling mounted, and you only have to replace the batteries about once a year. Hardwired alarms install right at the house's main power source and come with an additional backup battery. That way, in the case of a power outage, you're still safe. Also, depending on the model you choose, hardwired units can be interconnected with multiple units. This is great for multi-story houses, so if you have a fire in the basement, all the other alarms throughout the house are going to go off, alerting everyone and giving them enough time to get out of the house safely. What are the benefits of sealed battery alarms?
That's a great question. So sealed battery smoke alarms come with a lithium battery that can last up to 10 years.
That is a long time. Also, the battery compartment is completely sealed as a safety measure to prevent tampering. Where would be the most beneficial place to use sealed battery alarms?
So these alarms are extremely convenient in larger buildings and homes like residential complexes, office buildings, schools,
dorms, apartment areas, anywhere with multiple rooms.
Another frequently asked question that we get often is, how many smoke detectors do I need?
According to the National Fire Protection Association, there should be at least one smoke detector inside and outside every bedroom or sleeping room, in addition to having one on at least every level of your house. We recommend that you have one smoke detector in the largest area of that house if there are no sleeping rooms. For example, a living room or a den or even a dining room. But fun fact, keep it about 10 feet away from an area where you cook, just so you don't get those annoying nuisance smoke alarms. How often should I test my smoke alarm?
Well, it is recommended that you test your smoke alarm at least once a month, but always check your owner's manual just to make sure. Another frequent question is, how often do I need to replace my smoke detector?
A good rule of thumb to go by is that every smoke detector should last between 7 and 10 years. However, go ahead and check your manufacturer owner manual just to be on the safe side. I changed the batteries in my smoke detector and it won't stop beeping. Why?
We get this question a lot. So the first thing you want to do is double check the placement of your alarm. It is possible that this is a nuisance alarm because you placed it too close to a cooking area.
The other thing you want to do is see if it's a hardwired alarm. If it's a hardwired alarm, it could be because you changed the batteries and you didn't disconnect the main power source. You have to go to the breaker first, turn it off, then change the batteries, and then turn the breaker back on. This is going to reset the alarm and stop that annoying beeping. If you tried all of the above and the beeping still won't stop, it is possible you have a defective alarm. So go ahead and check your owner's manual for the warranty date. If you're still within your warranty timeline, then you could be eligible for a free replacement or for service. But if you're outside of your warranty guidelines, they may charge you a small service fee. I interconnected my alarms and they still won't test at the same time. What's going on?
Well, you want to make sure that all your smoke detectors are made by the same manufacturer. Smoke alarms that are not made by the same manufacturer won't be able to be wired properly.
Also, make sure that all of your alarms are hardwired. If you have battery-only operated alarms, they're not going to be able to be interconnected to the other alarms.
There you have it, folks!
We hope we answered all of your smoke detector questions, and we hope you learned something new today. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have more smoke detector questions or ideas for frequently asked question videos, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you had a good time, and we'll see you on the flip side.
I don't like the have any slogans?
The HomElectrical
We got puns though.
We hope you were shocked. And we hope you enjoyed our frequently asked questions smoke detector video. You can do it.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Okay. Let's hope it works, guys.
Oh my God.